All right, we have a trade recap here. It was losing trade. I think just overall a pretty good losing day. It wasn't. It wasn't the. I don't know, man. This trade didn't seem too bad. Basically, coming into market open, we had these Wednesday's high up here. This extremely external buy side, right? Daily high as well. So I thought this was a good draw liquidity. At market open, NQ pushed up, swept it, started pushing past it. ES started to draw toward as well. There was a bearish SMT, but ES eventually ended up taking it. But basically, I see that we're obviously drawing towards the buy side up here. We rebalance to this 5 minute, and we are holding it right here. Right, we're holding this 5 minute fair value gap. From there, we get 1 minute inverse. I did not take it off the inverse just because the risk reward, it wouldn't have been good at all. So I couldn't take it there. But I was waiting. I wanted to see, we created this 1 minute. I wanted to see if we could just rebalance to it, take it off that. So we ended up rebalancing to it. And I took it there, 1.23 risk reward. And then targeted the highs, just targeted a little bit above because usually we just, give a little bit of a push past it. I noticed this right, we took out this internal high before rebalancing. This is what I should notice and just been like, all right, I mean, yes, it could like easily just end up running to these highs, but it did take out these internal highs, which would easily dump to the lows. That's kind of how the market moved a little bit. So I should have realized that. But this is still a really good continuation model, a really good continuation trade here. Because even let's say, I mean, I could have even targeted like maybe there's something on the 4 hour. Oh yeah. So let's just say I took it off. I didn't even see this before, but if I were to take it off the inverse, dude, why is this? Damn it, bro. So let's say I take it off the inverse and I just end up targeting the highs up here. That would have been a better trade, honestly, because let me just get rid of this. Right, so we have the inverse here. And boom, you take a long targeting the 4 hour unfilled fair value gap, which actually eventually got hit. Right, so it looked like that. And then I would personally scale positioning at the 4 hour. This actually would have been, it would have been probably a better trade just because it's, first of all, before we take the internal highs. So, maybe actually I probably would have done break even here. So then this would have been a better trade. Maybe you could say it's greedy trying to target the 4 hour, but you could see it did get hit. The objective was correct. So I don't think it's that crazy to target this 4 hour fair value gap, not that crazy, and then just scale up this 4 hour high or daily high. This would have been, I didn't even see this, but this could have been a pretty good trade, just a break even trade probably for me. But wait, what if never mind. So, I ended up just waiting for the rebalance. A little bit of a forced trade, but I'm not too upset with it. So, it is what it is. I lost just 1%. I'm risking around 1% to trade now. So, that's just how it is. We had a 3-day winning streak, 1 day loss. I don't really care. So, yeah. Dude, this technical stuff has been fucking me up lately, but I don't need to get too in detail about it. But I keep messing little stuff up because when I have to trade in school, it's a little bit annoying and difficult to have to actually execute when I'm in school because I have to get my top step X, right, and I have to figure out the micros and whatever and make sure that I'm on with the pair that I want to trade and not accidentally take it on the wrong pair. It's just a bunch of fucked up things that happened to me with this just because of the whole school situation. So that's annoying, but I know it's not really my fault too much, but pretty much sums up my day. I know there are some winning trades here. I didn't want to take any shorts because I thought ES was just 100% going to take the highs eventually, which it did. We had data lows here. What was it? There was a trade, I think, but was it on ES? Whatever, I don't know. There was some sort of trade you could have taken here, a short, but it was really bad in my opinion because we had first of all, this is a little bit indecisive, a little bit choppy. This whole move, it's a little bit. I mean, in my opinion, it's a little bit choppy, but you know, there could have been a trade here you could have taken. Maybe you could have taken. You know, wait a minute. Something's a little fishy here. Something is a little bit fishy. So we have data lows. Oh my goodness. Data lows here got taken on normal NQ, but MNQ did not take data lows. That is fucked up. Well, they eventually did, but not when NQ did. That's actually fucked up. You can easily get. I need to do my analysis on the normal, bro. Let's just fucked up. The short stops above this high. Oh my god, dude. Alright, whatever, bro. I wasn't gonna take it regardless. This is for one of the best. I think it's a bad trade. I don't really see any good reasons here. But yeah, that's pretty much sums up the day. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.